Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about Preventative Maintenance Checks and Services, or PMCS, for the D1000 Bravo. PMCS on your heater is the best way to ensure it operates properly when you need it. Click the link in the description to download the TM. Here are a few things to check. Remove the fuel cap and using a strong flashlight, look for dirt or water in the fuel. If dirt or water is found, drain the fuel tank and flush out with clean fuel. Remove the fuel filter bowl and clean out any contaminants. Clean the fuel filter in a parts bath or with clean fuel. Inspect and clean all the O-rings and seals. Fill the fuel filter bowl with fuel and reassemble. Make sure the O-ring is seated properly, otherwise the heater will not start. Newer heaters have a clear bowl, which expedites servicing. Remove and clean the burner. Remove any soot deposits from the burner head and electrodes. Replace the nozzle annually before the heating season. Remove and clean the photo eye. Inspect the tip and ensure it's not melted. Check the fuel pump pressure and ensure it is 170 psi. See description for pressure gauge. Adjust with the hex key wrench as needed. By the way, did you know you can upgrade your heater with new clear fuel filter and high-grade fuel lines? Installs in about 15 minutes and makes PMCS a snap. And that wraps up today's installment of Tech Tip Tuesday. We hope you found it helpful. Look for more tech tips on all HCT products.